Firstly, we are going to install the disk. After install the plastic disc, then we need to install a small screw on the hole. Then we install the label roll holder. And there is 3 screws. Install here. Then choose the correct one, which have a roller here, like this one. This should be inside because there was a green belt. You need to hold it. make sure the green holder is holding this. Then we're going to install the label. Label roll should be like this. I'm going to go inside and let it holder. And another one. Then tie to the small screw to hold it so it will not move. And this side also. Then we're going to install the bottle holder. Depending on your bottle and the labeling area, you can move this bar forward and backwards to adjust. Now we're going to install the new label. After we put the new label roll here, first we should pull the label through. And going down the first bar like this. Then make sure, very important thing is to cross this label sensor. Then the first step is go down this black one and let it move up. Move. Then it will come out on the other side. Press the downside bar and go up. Firstly, you can cut the label like this so it can easily go through. And go more. Then going down here, the peeling board. And go down through like this. Then this stainless bar, the downside there was 2 screws. You should lose them like this. So there was a bigger gap here. Then we should let the label cross this. Don't let the label pass. Then let it come more. You can leave the back chain going down. Also, you can go into put it to the recycling bar if you need. Details depend on you. If you want to go into the recycling bar, then we should move a little. Then we'll pull this whole locker out. and let it cross like this. After make it tight and clamp it and the lock. Then we should tighten these two screws. So like this, the label is finished. Yes. After we install the label, then we need to give it power. And plug in. Then there was a button here to turn on, so the light will be on. And the machine is ready to use. And the first step, we need to set the label sensor. If you change your new label, you need to set the sensor. Firstly, we give some label. And there was two buttons, plus button and the minus button. We should press them together and hold it just 1 second. Then there was a red light will be flashing. Then we do like this. Let the label pass in this row. Goes through the gate. Then press minus button. Then we can see it is set finished. When there is a label, the yellow light will be on. When the sensor senses the gap between two labels, the yellow light will be off, like this. So after set like this, that means the label sensor is set finished, successful. After install the label and set the labeling sensor, now we're going to check using your bottle. Firstly, depend on the bottle size and the diameter, we should to adjust the bar here. There was a screw at this place to adjust, depend on your bottle size. If your bottle is small, you should move the screw much in, like this one. The screw much in, so the screw can touch the switch. The switch you can try like this. When you press, it will send out a new label. So if your bottle is too big or too small, as long as the screw didn't touch the switch, it will not work. So for example, like this one, you hold it, the screw is touch the touch switch, so it works. So before using the machine, you should adjust this screw so that make sure the screw can touch the touch switch. Now we're going to adjust the label stop position. Like the label, if stop like this, it's not good. We need to test, see. When we set and send out a new label, it stop like this, it's not good for our labeling. So we need to adjust the labeling, the label stop position. How to adjust? Firstly, use this screw to move a little by a little. And press check, still not good. Then we move again. Still not good. Then move again. Like this is good. The label just come out very little. So after like this, then we lock the sensor and we can test. Label. Then we need to adjust the label area where the label should be on the bottle, for example, like this. So the label will go into the middle. We'll label here. If you wanted to label a little downside, then the label will be here. And this two bar also two screw to loose, and it can control the bar move up and move forward and backward. So different size of the bottle can change to here. This, if you want to label a bigger one, this seems not good, so we can go like this. To label it like this. The small one, it's too big, it's too small, so we'll move like this forward.